Hello, and welcome to the Honeywell MAXPRO Cloud How-To video series. In this video, we're going to cover how to use the Visual Management page to view cameras. The Visual Management page allows control of areas, doors, and cameras, checking their status, and viewing them on a floor plan. All three levels of users and site operator roles may access the Visual Management page to control the sites to which they have access, and may do so from the MAXPRO Cloud website and mobile app. To access Visual Management, first go to mymaxprocloud.com and log into your MAXPRO Cloud account. Once logged in, from the dashboard select the menu icon in the upper left corner of the page, and then select Visual Management. When the page loads, it will display a list of all sites to which you have access and display a map which is similar to the dashboard with the locations of these sites. To access a site, either select it from the list on the left or click on the site icon on the map. You may also filter the sites by labels using the Labels filter to help easily find a particular site. Once a site is selected, the screen will display the floor plan along with all the devices which have been populated on that floor plan. Select the Cameras tab to list all cameras on the site. This tab will be available if a video controller has been added to the site. Just like doors and areas, you may select a camera by either clicking the icon on the floor plan or selecting it from the cameras list on the left. Once selected, you may view the device information and status, view the live video stream, and initiate a video clip to be recorded. Recorded clips can be viewed and downloaded on the viewer page. This concludes the steps to view cameras from the Visual Management page in MAXPRO Cloud. Remember that the MAXPRO Cloud Web Help Configuration Guide provides a wealth of information and additional step-by-step instructions. It can easily be accessed from any page in MAXPRO Cloud by selecting the question mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen and selecting Help. The guide will launch in a separate window from which you may browse or search topics. Additional resources may also be found at honeywelldiscovertraining.com. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.